Okay, so open this up and make sure the power's turned off, okay? You're gonna have two screws. There's gonna be one here, and there's gonna be one on the other side, the same spot. So using and you're also gonna need a short Phillips screwdriver because you don't have a lot of room to work in there. So take out these two screws. There's one there, and on the other side, there's one over here. You see it? And this allows you to tilt this whole thing forward. Okay. So we'll just zoom in a little bit. And basically, there's two screws here and a ground screw right here. So using a short Phillips, just take out the ground screw first. And then the two screws holding the pin pad in there. Take them out. Okay, and just hold on to this pin pad when you do it. And then it's just going to pop out. And then you can see there's two connectors here. Just sort of, without pulling on the wires too much, just sort of walk them back and forth like that. Okay, and they'll just pop out. They're two different sizes. And you can see where the pins are, so they got little ridges, so when you put them back, it'll fit properly in there. You also might have to change out this, put this bracket on the new pin pad. I don't know whether we sent with one, but just 4 screws, and you put the bracket on the new pin pad, and reverse the procedure. There's 2 little tabs here that just slide in, and again, so it's pretty simple. That's all there is to it. Might be easier to put these in first before you do that, but just reverse the process. So that's all there is to it.